Okay, let's just have some fun playing Overwatch. No, I'm not doing Piggy. No, you guys know. I will play Diva or Orisa. Let's see. Let's do varsity today. Because you know I'm a gamer girl and I love playing Diva. It's so much fun. Fucking hell, I always miss with the stupid spears. Yes, I am a bit angry right now. Oh, yes, I hit it. Yeah, I shove your dragons up your ass, you fucking white boy bitch. This one. And look at the chance of this happening. Why does this only happen when I'm not playing in this live? Look at this. 3 versus 1. And I still kill all of them with my mech. All damage. A baby diva. And I still kill all of them. How cool is this? I am a very fair dominant. I don't think she needs to be punished, that one. She did good. Well, what the fuck? That's not how it works. You can't just start a petition to punish someone else. Why don't you punish yourself, huh? What if I want to punish you instead? Oh, they have SMO in... Like, oh Jesus Christ, the damage. No. So, we're not gonna reach 600 followers this stream, which makes me sad. Oh, what? Thank you, Sickle, for following. Oh, okay, so we did reach 600 followers this stream, which makes me very happy. I don't know what the hell just happened. I asked for it and it happened. Man, I have to do that more often. So I just have to bludgeon him somehow. Okay, okay. Can you stop? Quakey. What? Why me? What? Yeah. God damn it, I was so close! 9, oh my god. 7. Shit. Okay, let's just stay here. Come on. Yes! Yes! For fuck's sake, finally! Whew. I was convinced I was not going to win that one. You can hammer the golden. But I can? Oh, come on. I didn't thought of that. Okay. We got a mace. God damn it. Let's see if this mace is good. This mace is actually pretty good. Nice. You guys knew this all of this time, and you didn't thought that maybe you should have told me? You fucking white boys? You saw how much I was struggling, and no one thought that maybe it'd be a good idea to tell me? What kind of fucking better armies do I fucking have? What is this? Oh, I found losing chest more money. Okay. Well, I found some money. Delicious. I'm gonna do a collection of slurps. What's up? I'm just invading your room. I'm looking for dildos. Please. Open the door. I'm just interrupting your daily ritual to protect this house from monsters. Please give me attention. Why is your spear clipping to your cape? Whee! I'm a fairy. Okay. What? Fuck you! Ever since when do I take orders from ytbois? What? Fuck you! Fuck you! When we'll get to the part where he kicked this ytbois ass and shoved his wing so far down his mouth he believes he ate the wrong KFC. We have not gotten to the KFC part yet. Hey look, here's the frying chickens! Like 150 people decided that I should play Elden Ring. And do not expect like big gameplays. The good thing about starting a new game is that you get to create a character, which is probably the funniest I'll ever have in this game. She looks sad. I know. I'm gonna try and make her a bit happier. Okay. What? This is sad. Now she looks sad. No, she looks angry. She looks disappointed. She looks like she's seen a ytbois dick and is completely disappointed. But if you do this, she still looks sad, but it's not that bad. Oh, hello there. You see some kinky shit?
Queen
Thank you.
the Eternal is nowhere to be found.
Oh wait, the bloodstains are how many people died here? Ah, fuck. Ah, do you know I have my hitbox? How do I attack? That's how I attack. How I dodge it? No! Aim at the right thing for fuck's sake. What, did I die? What the fuck? Hold shift harder to run. No, I cannot. I cannot. My buttons are not. I have lived. I have been in a fight for 20 seconds. Okay, selected to target enemy. Okay. Why does the game not tell me this? Why does it decide to kill me first? It makes no sense. Usually there's always like a nice little rap tutorial that tells you, you press space to jump, press shift to run, press buttons to do things. Why does the game decide, no, you die tonight? Friendly fucking upstairs. Wait, no, there's a horse. Man, I cannot possibly understand